So we received our BāKIT box in the mail, and we are so excited. Let me tell you a little bit about the BāKIT box. So the BāKIT box is a subscription box just for kids, y'all. Just for kids. So, and it comes with 3 globally inspired recipes. So you can get recipes from all over the world. And everything, get this, everything is already pre-measured and pre-packaged for you. You may need a few things from your refrigerator or your pantry, but other than that, you are set. As you can see, my daughter did this recipe practically on her own. Like, I didn't have to do much except cut the dough, roll it, put it in the oven, and take it out the oven. But let me tell you, we had so much fun making this recipe, and child, this recipe was so